Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unhide comments on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on Instagram, I'm on the main page, and you can unhide comments in several comment sections. However, I won't be hiding them or unhiding them because I can't find any posts where I can demonstrate that, but I will be showing you how you can disable that sort of filtering since that is tied to your account, so let's get right into it. You go into your profile icon in the bottom right, then you want to go into the top right on the three horizontal bars, enter your settings and activity. Then you want to scroll down until you see the section that is called how others can interact with you, and then you want to go into hidden words, which is the second from the bottom. Now, as you can see here, you have advanced comment filtering and hide comments as well as message requests. You can disable whichever one of these you want. You can disable advanced comment filtering by itself, or if you disable hide comments, that will disable that as well. And when you re-enable that, then advanced comment filtering will stay disabled. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You just click that slider and move it back, and now Instagram will no longer automatically hide and move a variety of comments to that separate hidden section. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is the easiest way to do it on a massive scale. Again, you can do it on individual posts, but I can't find anywhere comments are hidden. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.